Cosmos, Atom, often described as the Internet of Blockchains, is a groundbreaking network designed to address critical challenges in the blockchain industry, particularly scalability and interoperability. It functions as a network of independent yet interconnected blockchains, each operating with its own rules and applications, while seamlessly interacting with each other. This interoperability, combined with a modular architecture for improved scalability, positions Cosmos at the forefront of blockchain evolution. Utilizing a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism for enhanced efficiency and the Atom token for governance, staking, and fees, Cosmos embodies a vision of a unified, efficient, and collaborative blockchain ecosystem. Cosmos, Atom, is a network of interconnected blockchains aiming to solve some of the biggest challenges in the blockchain industry, such as scalability and interoperability. It's often referred to as the Internet of Blockchains. Here's a breakdown of what Cosmos is all about. Network of sovereign blockchains. Imagine individual, independent blockchains like countries, each with its own set of rules and applications. Cosmos allows these blockchains to communicate and transact with each other seamlessly, similar to how countries trade and interact. Interoperability. This is the key feature of Cosmos. It allows blockchains built with the Cosmos SDK to transfer data and assets between each other, enabling a more interconnected and efficient blockchain ecosystem. Scalability. Traditional blockchains often face scalability issues as the network grows. Cosmos addresses this by using a modular architecture, where each blockchain, called a zone, is responsible for its own transactions, reducing the on the main network. Proof of stake, POS, consensus mechanism. Cosmos uses a POS mechanism to secure the network and validate transactions. This is considered more energy efficient and scalable compared to proof of work, POW, used in Bitcoin. The native token of the Cosmos network is Atom. It plays several important roles. Governance. Atom holders can participate in the governance of the Cosmos Hub, the central coordinating blockchain in the network. Staking. Users can stake their Atom tokens to validators who secure the network and earn rewards. Fees. Atom is used to pay transaction fees on the Cosmos Hub. Overall, Cosmos is an ambitious project with the potential to revolutionize the blockchain landscape. Its focus on interoperability and scalability could pave the way for a more connected and efficient future for blockchains. Cosmos' usefulness stems from its ability to address some major pain points in the blockchain industry. Interoperability. Traditional blockchains are isolated worlds, unable to communicate with each other. This limits their potential for collaboration and data sharing. Cosmos allows blockchains to seamlessly interact, enabling cross-chain transactions, move assets and data between different blockchains efficiently. Combined applications, leverage features from multiple blockchains to create powerful new applications. Unified ecosystem, break down silos and foster a more interconnected blockchain landscape. Scalability. The scalability of traditional blockchains like Bitcoin becomes an issue as user volume increases. Transactions slow down, fees rise, and the network becomes congested. Cosmos uses a modular architecture with independent zones to overcome this. Horizontal scalability. New zones can be added to the network to distribute workloads and increase overall capacity. Vertical scalability. Each zone can be optimized for its specific use case, improving performance and efficiency. Faster transactions. Users don't have to wait for every transaction on the entire network to be processed. Developer friendliness. Building blockchains from scratch is a complex and time-consuming process. Cosmos provides a software development kit, SDK, and other tools that make it easier for developers to rapidly build custom blockchains, focus on creating unique applications without getting bogged down in technical details. Benefit from shared functionality. Leverage pre-built modules and libraries for common tasks like security and consensus. Contribute to the ecosystem. Foster innovation and collaboration by creating interoperable applications and tools. Sustainability. Bitcoin and other POW-based blockchains consume significant amounts of energy, raising environmental concerns. Cosmos POS consensus mechanism is significantly more energy efficient, making it a more sustainable option for the future of blockchain technology. In addition to these core benefits, Cosmos opens up doors for various applications and use cases, including supply chain management, track goods and materials across different blockchains for enhanced transparency and security. Decentralized finance, DeFi create interoperable DeFi platforms that offer a wider range of services and opportunities. Gaming and entertainment, enable cross-platform gaming experiences and virtual economies with shared assets and data. Social media and identity management, build decentralized social networks and identity systems with privacy and control in the hands of users. Overall, Cosmos' usefulness lies in its ability to address critical challenges in the blockchain world and lay the foundation for a more interconnected, scalable, and sustainable future. Its flexibility and developer-friendly approach have the potential to unlock a wide range of innovative applications across various industries. The inner workings of Cosmos can be broken down into several key components. Sovereign blockchains, zones. Imagine independent blockchains like Lego blocks, each with its own set of rules and applications. These are called zones in Cosmos and can cater to specific needs, like financial transactions, supply chain management, or gaming. Zones operate autonomously, setting their own governance rules and choosing their preferred consensus mechanism, example Tendermint consensus, proof of stake. Interblockchain communication, IBC. This is the glue that holds the Cosmos ecosystem together. IBC is a protocol that allows seamless communication and data exchange between different zones. Zones can establish connections with each other and send transactions or data in a secure and reliable manner. Think of it like bridges connecting the Lego blocks, enabling data to flow freely. Cosmos Hub. The heart of the Cosmos network, the Cosmos Hub acts as a central hub for communication and coordination. It keeps track of the status of all connected zones and facilitates IBC channels between them. The native token of Cosmos, Atom, is used for governance, staking, and fees on the hub. Tendermint consensus. Most zones within Cosmos utilize the Tendermint consensus mechanism for transaction validation and network security. This proof of stake, POS, system offers faster transaction speeds and lower energy consumption compared to traditional proof of work, POW, mechanisms. Validators stake their Atom tokens to secure the network and earn rewards. Application Blockchain Interface, ABCI. This acts as a bridge between the application logic and the underlying blockchain technology in each zone. Developers can use the ABCI to create custom applications on top of any Cosmos zone, tailoring them to their specific needs. Here's a simplified picture of how the process works. User interacts with an application on a specific zone, example sends a transaction on a DeFi platform. The zone transmits the transaction to the connected Cosmos hub via IBC. The hub validates the transaction using Tendermint consensus and relays it to the relevant destination zone. The destination zone processes the transaction and the results are sent back to the user through the hub and the original zone. This is just a basic overview, and Cosmos involves several other technical details and components. However, it should give you a grasp of the core principles behind its operation and how it enables communication and interaction between different blockchains in the network. While Cosmos has a wider community contributing to its development and governance, the project originated with two key figures. Ethan Buchman. An influential figure in the blockchain space, Ethan co-founded Tendermint Incorporated, the company responsible for developing the core technology behind Cosmos, including the Tendermint consensus mechanism. He possesses extensive expertise in distributed systems and cryptography, having previously worked on projects like Tendermint and Akash, a decentralized cloud computing platform. Jay Kwan. Initially co-founded Tendermint Inc. alongside Ethan and played a major role in the early development of Cosmos. He focused on the economic and governance aspects of the network, designing the inter-blockchain communication, IBC, protocol and the tokenomics of Atom. Notably, Kwan stepped away from his formal leadership role at Tendermint and Cosmos in early 2020, although he remains an influential figure within the community. It's important to recognize that Cosmos is not solely attributed to these two individuals. A talented team of developers, researchers, and community members contribute significantly to its ongoing development and success. Some of these notable contributors include Peng Zhong, CEO of Tendermint Inc., and a key figure in the Cosmos ecosystem. Zaki Manian, early contributor to Cosmos and currently leads the Interchain Foundation, which supports the development of the network. Chris Berniski, a prominent figure in the blockchain space and advisor to the Cosmos Hub. The decentralized nature of Cosmos emphasizes the importance of the broader community's involvement. Developers, validators, and users all play a role in shaping the direction and future of the network. So, while Ethan Buckman and Jaquan played crucial roles in laying the foundation for Cosmos, it's important to remember the project's success stems from the combined efforts of a dedicated and diverse community. In the last year, Cosmos, Atom, has seen several significant developments and events. Proposal for blockchain split. Cosmos founder, Jaquan, called for splitting the blockchain into two following a decision by the community to reduce Atom's inflation from 14% to 10%. This hard fork, named Atom 1, was seen as a bullish move for the Atom token. This decision was made after a proposal, referred to as Proposal 848, was approved with a majority vote. Quan wasn't impressed by this decision and thus called for the hard fork, envisioning a plan where the forked chain would support both the Atom token and the native Atom 1. Revamp of Cosmos Hub and Atom token. A new white paper released at the Cosmoverse conference proposed major expansions to the utility of Cosmos Hub and a new vision for the Atom token. This included a change in the Hub's role to the heart of interchain security, allowing other chains to use the Hub to secure their networks. Changes were also proposed to the utility and issuance schedule of Atom, aiming to back up its role as an index of the broader Cosmos family of blockchains. Atom gains and security features. Atom's Ether-denominated price rallied significantly due to the outlook for new uses and better security for the network. Investors showed interest in Atom in anticipation of the announcement of additional uses for the token and enhanced network security at the Cosmoverse conference. The introduction of interchain security was particularly noteworthy, allowing Cosmos Hub to act as a security provider for the entire network. Key developments in 2023. In 2023, Cosmos Hub witnessed several major advancements. Interchain security implementation. This allowed Cosmos Hub to offer its security framework to smaller blockchains, enhancing the overall security within the Cosmos ecosystem. Growth in active users and on-chain statistics. There was a surge in on-chain activities, highlighting the network's growing popularity and robustness. Introduction of interchain accounts with the Theta upgrade. This enhanced interoperability within the Cosmos network, allowing seamless interactions across different chains. Liquid staking and NFT module in the Rho upgrade. The introduction of liquid staking and an NFT module marked Cosmos entry into the NFT space and enhanced the utility of staking. Cosmos Hub 2.0 white paper and role expansion. The release of the Cosmos Hub 2.0 white paper marked a strategic shift for the Hub, proposing changes to Atom's utility and issuance. These developments highlight Cosmos Hub's commitment to innovation, security, and interoperability in the cryptocurrency landscape. Refuting the points made about Cosmos, Atom. Interoperability challenges. While Cosmos aims to facilitate interoperability between blockchains, achieving seamless interaction across diverse blockchain architectures remains a complex challenge. Differences in consensus mechanisms, governance models, and security protocols can create significant barriers to interoperability, potentially limiting the practicality of Cosmos' approach. Scalability and modular architecture. The modular architecture of Cosmos, though designed for scalability, may introduce complexities in coordination and governance among different zones. As the number of zones increases, maintaining coherence and security across the network can become increasingly difficult. Additionally, the effectiveness of this architecture under high transaction loads across multiple zones is yet to be fully proven in real-world scenarios. Proof of stake, POS, limitations. While POS is more energy efficient than proof of work, POW, it is not without its limitations. POS can lead to centralization concerns, where the wealthiest stakeholders have significant control over the network. This might compromise the decentralized ethos that is foundational to many blockchain projects. Atom token's utility and governance. The utility of the Atom token, particularly in governance, may not be as straightforward as envisioned. Token-based governance can sometimes lead to plutocratic scenarios, where those with more tokens have disproportionate influence over decisions, potentially sidelining smaller stakeholders. Developer friendliness and standardization. Although Cosmos provides tools for easier blockchain development, there's a risk of fragmentation with each zone developing its own standards and protocols. This could lead to a lack of standardization across the network, making it harder for developers to create applications that operate seamlessly across multiple zones. Sustainability questions. The sustainability of the POS mechanism, in terms of both energy consumption and economic viability, is still under debate. While it is more energy efficient, the long-term economic incentives and security implications of POS are areas of ongoing research and discussion. Real-world application and adoption. The broad range of potential applications for Cosmos, including DeFi, supply chain management, and social media, face practical challenges in terms of real-world adoption and user acceptance. The integration of blockchain technology into these sectors at a scale envisioned by Cosmos is yet to be fully realized. Complexity and user experience. The complexity of the Cosmos ecosystem, with its multiple zones, IBC, and Cosmos Hub, may pose a steep learning curve for new users and developers. This complexity can affect the user experience and might slow down widespread adoption. Community and governance dynamics. While Cosmos benefits from a diverse community, managing a decentralized project at this scale can lead to governance challenges. Coordination among various stakeholders, including developers, validators, and users, requires careful balancing to ensure the network's smooth operation and evolution. Dependence on key figures and community contributions. The success of Cosmos is heavily reliant on contributions from key figures and the broader community. Any changes in leadership or shifts in community engagement can significantly impact the project's direction and progress. In summary, while Cosmos presents a novel approach to blockchain interoperability and scalability, it faces significant challenges and limitations in terms of technical complexity, governance, real-world application, and the balance of power within its ecosystem. Cosmos, Atom, often heralded as the Internet of Blockchains, stands as a pivotal innovation in the blockchain realm, tackling the critical issues of scalability and interoperability. Its unique structure of sovereign, yet interconnected blockchains allows for diverse and specialized applications while maintaining seamless communication across the network. This design not only enhances scalability through a modular approach but also fosters a unified blockchain ecosystem through interoperability. The use of a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism bolsters efficiency and sustainability, with the Atom token central to governance, staking, and transaction fees. Cosmos not only represents a significant leap in blockchain technology but also symbolizes the potential for a more integrated, efficient, and collaborative future in the digital world. Its emphasis on developer friendliness and environmental sustainability positions it as a versatile and forward-thinking platform, capable of powering a diverse range of applications from DeFi to supply chain management. Despite its advancements, Cosmos faces challenges like ensuring seamless interoperability among diverse blockchains, managing the complexities of its modular architecture, and balancing power within its token-based governance structure. Nevertheless, Cosmos' ongoing developments and the active engagement of its community continue to solidify its role as a cornerstone in the evolving landscape of blockchain technology.